Welcome to McLeod Software's training session on the McLeod Driver App Overview for Android users. This is the first session in a 7-part series on the McLeod Driver App. This app allows drivers to view their current load details, preceding and forthcoming load details, mobile comm messages, and settlement information. Drivers can also use this app to fill out accident reports and OS&D claims. Drivers who work for multiple companies can swap between those companies on the app. It's important to keep in mind that this app will not function if it detects motion of more than 5 miles per hour. There are 7 sections that make up this app: Current Assignment, My Loads, Mobile Communications, Motor Accidents, OS&D, My Settlements, and My Profile. There's also a links option for any links you might want to add for your specific business purposes. This concludes our training session on the McLeod Driver App Overview for Android users. If you have further questions on the material covered here, a McLeod customer care member is available to assist you. Thank you for watching. Welcome to McLeod Software's training session on the Current Assignment section of the McLeod Driver App. We'll begin by selecting Current Assignment. Note that none of the information displayed here is editable. It mirrors the information bound on the master file screens in LoadMaster. Notice that there are 2 tabs at the top of this screen: This Stop and All Stops. This Stop is the default selection and displays all of the assignment information for the current stop. You'll see the load number displayed at the top of this screen, followed by the location name and address, and the contact information. Notice that the address and contact phone number are displayed in a different color. This is because they're links. Tapping on the address will pull it up in Google Maps, and tapping on the phone number will give you the option to call this number. Next, you'll see the Scheduled and Actual section for arrivals and departures, followed by the Details section. This section includes load, weight, commodity, bill of lading, and consignee information if it's available. Below this, you'll see sections for stop notes, reference numbers, directions, and loading and unloading instructions. At the bottom of this tab, you'll see buttons for Position Update, Route Details, Capture Image, and Capture Signature. Selecting Position Update will pinpoint your current location and send that information to your dispatcher. Selecting Route Details will display any directions for this assignment that are available from your mileage application. Capture Image allows you to take a photo of a document using the camera on your phone and then upload and send that document by tapping Send. And finally, Capture Signature is where you can sign for anything that requires your signature. You can sign your name with your finger and then tap Save to send that signature to the LoadMaster order entry screen. Now select the All Stops tab. This tab displays information for all of the accompanying stops associated with this order. Loads displayed in white are available loads that have been pre-assigned. Loads displayed in yellow are in progress or current loads, and loads displayed in gray are your delivered loads. You can select a load, for example your next load, to display the detailed information for that stop. This concludes our training session on Current Assignment. If you have further questions on the material covered here, a McLeod customer care member is available to assist you. Thank you for watching.
Hello, today we're going to talk about document scanning with the McLeod Driver App. Once you're logged into the Driver App, select Current Assignment from the main menu or select an assignment from My Loads. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and press the Capture Image button. Select your document type and press Add Image. There is no need to enter order numbers or other information. You can add a new image from your camera or select one from your phone's gallery. Let's add a new one. For the best image quality, be sure that you're in a well-lit area and that your document is on a surface with a contrasting color. Be sure to wait for your phone's autofocus and check that your document is centered in the phone screen. If it looks good, hit OK and we'll look for the corners of your document's page. If you need to adjust the corners, you can drag them until they look right. Then hit Save to continue. We assess every image for blurriness and readability before we allow you to move forward. Whenever we find an image that is too blurry to use, we discard the result and ask you to retry. When you save, we'll put a thumbnail of the image on the screen immediately. To make adjustments to the image, just tap it. You can zoom in and out by pinching to check details like tracking and BOL numbers. We default to a high contrast view, but you can select from several filters. Press Apply Filter to make your selection and go back to the Add Image view. You can add as many images as there are pages in your document, and when you're ready, press the arrow button to send everything to the server. We optimize and compress your image to save you time and to go easy on your phone's data plan. When the image has been sent, we show a confirmation number that you can use to track the image later, and send an email with that confirmation number. From everyone at McLeod Software, thanks for watching.